Hi, good morning. Paul here, the Spaulding Team at Berkshire Hathaway Nevada Properties. Today is June 19th. Let's see what's going on in the greater Las Vegas real estate market. Let's see. Price and DOM, days on market. Okay, we have that one's out of the area. So let's go to this one, which is a manufactured home, 1568 square feet, built in 2000 for $167,000. Okay. It's clean for a mobile home, not too bad. Some of these mobile homes, you wouldn't know that they're mobile unless you, without looking at them. And where is this? Up in the northeast. Okay, Sunrise Manor area. Okay, let's go down to this one, the highest priced, $775, 2,700 square feet, 2 bedroom, 3 bath, 3 car garage. Must be a pretty nice one. Sun City Anthem. On the golf course. Nice and clean. Don't see anything really spectacular here. So I don't know why they're getting $775 for it or trying for $775. Want to sell $280 a square foot. Wow. I didn't see any strip views. There's bad photography apparently. Okay. Well, good luck to them. Foxdale, Sun City Anthem, 55 plus neighborhood. That is a good location. Yeah. Okay, and then yesterday, I think we looked at this one yesterday, but I'll look at it again. It's a nice little one-story condo. For $170,000. And then next, is 1.15. Interesting. Over in Mansion Hills, town center area. Okay. All right. Well, that's good. All right. Let's see what has gone into contract. We have 504 in contract and sold. One reported today, 1 story, single family, 2 253, that's a good price. Nice little house for 253. Few upgrades. 1,500 square feet. Built in 76, older one. Tropicana and Picos. Okay. Then yesterday we had that one, Arville, the 1-story, or excuse me, 2-story, 1-bedroom, 1-bath condo, built in 83. Because this one here is out of the area. Okay. Interesting architect. Nice and clean. It's nice. We're on Arville. Arville and Twain. Okay. 18, 18, 18. 18, 18, 18. 18, 18. Right here. 3.5 million. I think we looked at this last night. Yeah, we did. Nice house, $3.5 million though. We're on Granite Ridge. Okay. That's that. So let's look at what has gone into contracts since yesterday, which is nothing probably. Single family with a pool. 23. What do you know? Interesting. Okay. There's 23 that went into escrow between yesterday and today. These are single family homes with pools. Okay, well. Anything else that we need to look at here? So we have 4,264 closed escrows in May, with let's just do single families. This is median sales price, 300,000. Look at that. Where the median sales price come from, 16. It's incredible. New listings. Look at that. Our inventory is really cranking up. 46,000 in the entire MLS. Huh. Homes for sale. There we go. We're looking at 8,300. Pending sales. 31,000 pending sales. Closed sales, 31,000 in May. That is interesting right there. Huh. Days on the market. 20 is median. Month supply 3. And we're in a 99.2%. Get this, at one point last year, full price offers everywhere and slowly dropping down. Very interesting. Price per square foot, 164. Dollar volume, 10 billion, almost 11 billion. Interesting stuff. Okay, I will talk to you soon. Have a good day. Bye-bye.